Good morning, everyone. Today I am showing the project based on the domain Digital Health Record System on the healthcare basis. So let's run the program.
Welcome to Digital Health Record System.
Here are a few of the categories which we use to perform in the digital health record system, like ad record, display record, search record, and etc. Let me show you one by one how these work.
Adding new patient record.
For one, we can add new patient record. So let's enter the ID.
Record added successfully.
So the record has been added successfully. For the second, it shows display all records which are present. So let's see.
Displaying all patient records.
There were two records present. The first one with ID 100 and the second one which we just now entered ID 99. So both the records are displayed. Now to search for a record, we have to enter the patient ID. Let's search for ID 100.
Record found. Patient name is Akash. Disease is COVID-19.
Here, it tells us the name of the patient and the disease. Now for update a record,
Record updated successfully.
previously the ID 100 had disease COVID-19 and the patient and the doctor name was Prakash. Now I have updated that ID and the new disease is fever and the doctor name is Rakesh. Let's see if it changes the record.
Displaying all patient records.
Yeah, the ID 100, the disease has been changed and the doctor name is also changed as well. Now for to delete a record, let's say we have to delete the ID 99.
Record deleted successfully.
Now let's check the record in the file.
Displaying all patient records.
The ID 99 has been deleted. Now for the sixth one, we have predicting a disease. Let's enter the.
Please enter the symptoms of your disease.
Now here we can add the symptoms of a disease. These are some of the symptoms which I have already entered: dizziness, chest pain, shortness of breath, and sometimes there is no symptoms. Let's check what are the possible diseases you can have.
It is showing migraine, it is showing here migraine, dehydration, low blood pressure, even inner ear issues. It is showing.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. These are the some of which we can have, but mainly which these symptoms focuses is on low blood pressure. So as you can see, it is best to consult a doctor related to these diseases, and we can get the proper medication for that. Now let's move on to the next function. For the disease age analysis. Now we have only one record available in the in the program. So I have taken some of the sample datas which we can use for the graph. These are some of the 20 sample datas which we can use for the graph. Let's add it.
Initializing sample data for analysis. Sample data added successfully.
The sample data which we wanted to add has been added. Now if we want to see, we can display all the record and see
Displaying
the.
all patient records.
These are all the 120 records which we have added just now. Now let's plot the graph for this.
Generating disease vs age analysis graph.
Yeah. As you can see, this graph is plotted against the disease age group and the number of patient. Like for the blue bar, it's fever. For age 19 to 40, number of patient for fever is 1. Red is for dengue. For 0 to 18, it's red is 1. And for the other age groups, it's 0. So here we can plot the graph for any other disease also, and we can check for it. Now let's move on to the next function. The next function, like if we want to add, we have added already some of the sample data. Now we want to delete the sample data to perform other function. We can also do that by
Welcome to Digital Health Record System.
yeah, to delete the sample data, just have to press 9.
Deleting sample data. Sample data deleted successfully.
All the sample data from ID number 101 to 120 have been deleted successfully. Let's check in the records.
Displaying all patient records.
Yeah, the ID 100 is already left, only left, which we have previously added on our own, and the sample data have already been deleted. Now to exit the program, we just have to enter 10.
Thank you for using the Digital Health Record System.
Yeah, that's it for the program, and the the code first I have made different function. For speak, it changes the text into the speech, which helps disabled person and also make it easier and simple to use. The add record function which adds the data to the file, and to display all the function we use this part of the block where it reads the file which already have the data and displays it. If there is no record available, it will simply display no records available. For the search, it checks the ID which we have entered and the ID which is present. If the record is found, it displays the ID, name, age, disease, and doctor. If it is not found, it will simply show record not found. Now for update record, the update record, it also checks for the ID. If the ID is present and is matched with the ID which we want to change, it will change the disease and the doctor's name and then show us the desired result. To delete a record, if it checks for the id, if the id here I have used not equals to, because the other id which are present, it get added to the data new data object which is stored here, and then added here. The now for if the id is equals to the ID which we want to delete, it will be found equals to 2 and it will get deleted. And to open the chat GPT browser, in the browser, I have simply used the web browser function which directly opens the AI and help us to access the know about a disease using the symptoms only. And for the disease versus age graph, I have used matplotlib, which plots the graph in the x-axis of age and the y-axis with disease number of patients. And then for the sample data, I have added all the 120 samples, and it just adds this in the file which we are storing the data of other patients. And the delete sample data, it only deletes the record in the range of 101 to 120. Other data records are already there and does not get altered. This is the main menu, and yeah, that's it for the program. Thank you very much.